Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Dinah. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, whatever made you click on it. Ever since my last try on haul with Prettylittlething, a lot of you guys seem to really enjoy the video, and ever since then I've been wanting to keep up with those try-ons and do a lot more of them with other brands and things like that. But today I figured that since we are getting into spring season, we are getting into Easter holiday, we're getting into, you know, the special occasions, the birthdays, because we're getting into Aries season. I have been blessed with another opportunity to work with Prettylittlething again, but today, instead of just doing like a mixture of different outfits, we are going to be specifically focusing on the special occasion wear. So a lot more dresses, a lot more, you know, blazers and jumpsuits and things like that. So I'm super excited to go ahead and jump right into this try on haul for you guys. I did already try these on because I really want to make sure that I did get the right sizes and everything. But thank you again to Prettylittlething for sponsoring today's video.
Now that I am sober, I take back what I said. I'm sitting with this love hangover. Boy, it's hurting my head. It's the middle of October, and we just came to the end.
I'm gonna go ahead and start with my favorite outfits, and honestly that is really hard to say because everything in this bag I literally loved and cannot wait to wear. But this one, this slip right here, I got it in a size 6, and oh my, this slip dress looks so damn bomb on me. Like, it emphasized my curves and everything, and I love how the bottom has like a frill and it just kind of slowly goes down the leg, and I love how I could just slip this on and be right out, have nice golden glowy skin in the summertime with a nice like bronzy makeup look. I'm so excited to wear this, you know, pair it up with some like gold jewelry, some gold hoops or something. Just keep it very simple. Personally, I feel like I would just keep this as simple as possible because something about simplicity for me is just, yeah, that's more of me. Just emphasized my curves, guys. Like, it just made my hips look like my hips don't lie. Next dress, this one is my absolute, like, I'm just gonna keep on saying they're all my favorites. I'm gonna go ahead and put the photos of the models as well so that you guys can see what it looks like on the model. This one is just, it is so pretty. The color, I'm not one for floral, but lately I've been wanting to, you know, kind of change up my style, you know, get out of my comfort zone a little bit because I'm not used to anything like floral or anything with like prints, bold prints at that. But I loved the color of this one, and I could just, I literally, like, I just fell in love with it on the model. And I love how it shows a lot of the back as well. It's just super sexy. I love the bottom of it, you know, the frill at the bottom. I just love it. It also did emphasize my curves as well. Now this one I did get in a size 8. It did fit me perfectly, but I noticed that at the hips, I really had to like push it in. I was like, suck it in. Like, you know, in like White Chicks when she was like, suck it in. That's how I felt. I was like, bitch, suck it in. So I loved this one. So this one's more of like a chartreuse color. I got this one in a size 6. I loved this one. This one is, yeah, this one is a dress. I just love the feel of this one, and I loved the way it looked on me as well. I got this one in a size, 6, and I still had so much room. I know that picking out like UK sizes gets a little bit difficult sometimes. So I went ahead and chose this next piece. I got it in a size 6, and it's a silky shirt dress. I love the silky shirt dresses that Prettylittlething has. They have a whole bunch of them in a range of different colors, and I got this one as well as I believe I got like a champagne color as well. I cannot wait to wear these out. Like, this burgundy color is so bomb. It is so soft. It fits me so nice. I got it in a size 6, and the reason why I went lower this time was because a size 8 is just like way too big for me. It also has like this knot right here in the middle, and it just comes right down. It has like 2 slits on the sides. I was a little bit nervous getting them because I thought they were going to be way too short, but they fit me perfectly. And I love how I still have so much room, so it's more of like a casual silk dress as opposed to it being like tight and like you're sitting down, you're like hunched over because it doesn't feel right on you. But I have so much room left here, and I feel like Rihanna, honestly, in these silk dresses. This next dress that I got it in a US size 2, and it's like a blush pink color. Now it is very, very different because I usually don't like ruched skirts or like dresses or anything like that, but I loved the color on this one, and I loved like the V right here. All right, so this next one, I love red. Like everything red, I love. If you guys actually did watch my last Pretty Little Thing try on haul, I had a dress similar to this one, but it was in white. It was the same one. It was just in white, and it was a lot longer. This one's actually shorter. If you guys actually did really like the white one, but you didn't really like how long it was, this one would be perfect. And it also, I believe, came in multiple different colors. So I really love this one with like some hoops just like these. Would be so cute. I got it in a size 6, and I just love like this red. It's like a cherry bomb red. It's so sexy, it's so hot. I'm gonna feel like a hot tamale in it when I wear it, and I have plans of wearing this very soon. So this next one is definitely my favorite one, and I actually wanted to get this one a very long time ago, but the reason why I didn't was because I was afraid that it was not gonna fit me right, so it wasn't gonna look right on me. But I got it in a size 2, and it's a sage green laced dress, and I love it, guys. Like, I love it. It is so pretty. I usually, like I said before, I don't like the ruched I don't like ruched dresses, even though they tend to make you look a lot more curvy. This one, for some reason, I was just like, oh my god, like I want to wear this on Easter. It's a perfect color for that, and I love how intricate it looks. It looks so damn bomb on me. I am one of those girls that love gold. I love gold jewelry, so I feel like this sage green dress would look so bomb with some really cute gold jewelry and some really nice tan bronzy skin. I'm really digging that. I'm really digging it. Okay, so this one's a little bit different from the burgundy silk or satin dress that I had gotten, but this one's champagne satin ruched dress, and this one's a lot more ruched here on the bottom, which I wasn't really crazy about. On the model, it looked absolutely stunning. Like, she killed that photo. But overall, I loved the color because this shirt that I had gotten from Pretty Little Thing is like a champagne gold color, but this one is a little bit more of a bright champagne. So I love the color of it. I'm not absolutely sure as to how I'm gonna style it yet, but we're gonna work with it. We're gonna make it work. Y'all let me know down below what you thought about that dress on me. This next one I got in a size 6, and it's a white chiffon floral dress. I have been wanting a dress just like this for a very long time because the material is very thin, and I feel like you could just move around in it. It's the perfect dress for like if you're going to a wedding or things like that, because I seem to have a problem dressing myself going to like special occasions like that, like weddings and such. But this one I felt like would be perfect, so perfect for like a nice wedding or brunch. I really loved this one on me, and it's really different from what I'm used to wearing because I wouldn't normally wear something with a lot of floral. So this next piece, I'm not absolutely sure where I'm gonna wear it yet. I got it in a size 8. It's white, and it's one shoulder dress, and it goes all the way down to the floor, and it has this really cute slit right here with a ruffle, and it really emphasizes the curves, and it's also a very thick material, so it's not gonna be one of those dresses that you that are gonna like show anything, show your underwear or anything like that. That is only if you decide to wear like a nude panty. Like if you wear a nude panty or a white panty, you're not gonna see it. It's a really thick material all the way down, which I really love. I'm not absolutely sure where I'm gonna wear it, but someone better invite me to an all white party, because your girl is trying to sport some gold hoops with this and trying to show out like J-Lo, because J-Lo would kill a dress like this though, bitch. I'm gonna try my best to kill it too. This next piece gives me Oriental vibes for sure. Something about like that culture just really draws me to it. I love this one. I really do. This isn't the first time that I had actually seen it on the website. I had seen this on the website a while back, and I absolutely love the way that it looked on the model. I got it in a size 6, and it's also off the shoulder as well. I feel so sexy in it. I do wish that it came in different colors though, like probably like in that green color from that first dress in the beginning that I showed you guys. I really did love this one when I had a lot of room in, and I was able to move around, kind of swing it, you know. So Anthony's always calling me his little mamacita, and you know, I don't know if you guys know that song like by Migos or whatever it is, Mamacita, and he's like Mamacita, Sita, Sita, oh. So I feel like ever since like we met, like he always telling me like, oh my god babe, like I love you with red lipstick because you look so Spanish, and like that, yeah, like, you know, and he be getting all excited. Can't wait to wear this one, okay, because I definitely feel like a Spanish mommy in this. Like I literally, it just makes me want to go salsa dancing, you know, go dancing with my man, you know, or something. And I love like that it's like the perfect length. It's not like too long or anything. It goes right to the knees, which I love. I got it in a size 6, and it's a chiffon Bardot dress. This one should have been right in the beginning with the other ones I showed you guys that I was obsessed with. I've literally been so obsessed with each and every single one of these pieces. One of the pieces was actually the shirt that I'm wearing. I'll show you guys right here what it actually looks like. I have it tied today with a pair of bootcut jeans. I feel like these type of shirts look so damn cute with some bootcut jeans. I don't like to like button the sleeves. I like to just leave them how they are, let them flow. I love the material. The material is not like that cheap satin material. Next outfit is actually a 2-piece, but the top and the bottom are sold separately. I don't know when I'm gonna get a chance or get around to wearing this one, but when I saw it on the model, I was like, oh my god, she looks so dope. I need to get my hands on that. And I love off-white pieces. So this is the blazer top for it, and I got it in a size US 2, which I'm so happy I did because I still have so much room left in it. They also sell it with the pants. Now the pants were way too big on me, unfortunately. I got them in a size US 4. I should have gotten a 2. I just kept on thinking the 2 was gonna be too small on me, but for some reason your girl thinks she got ass. So you know, I was like, nah girl, you got a little ass to you, so you need like a size 4. Get a size 4. But that wasn't the case. These are a little bit too big on me in the waist area, and I still have so much room at the bum. But nonetheless, I can probably just hem these. I'm learning how to do that on my own, so I won't have to keep going to someone to get them to do it for me, especially when I got my grandmother, you know, out in like Massachusetts that should be doing it. You know, I'm just like, nah, I'll just wait. Like, I'll just wait for her to do it, you know what I mean? Love the color of this. This would look so damn bomb with like a nice like slicked back bun. It would look so dope. I feel like I ran through these pieces pretty quickly. Honestly, I love every single one of these. If you guys do have like any special events coming up or any birthdays or things like that, I highly recommend that you check out Prettylittlething. And if you are more of the curvy girl, you got a little bit more curves, you should definitely try out the PLT shape. I'm actually really excited to get some stuff in from their shape collection. I'm really excited about that because I've heard nothing but good things. If you guys have any questions about sizes or anything like that, I will try my best to help you out. If you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up because it really helps your girl out. And don't forget to come follow me on Instagram. I love you guys so much. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
I thought we'd be together. Oh, it ended so fast. Now that I am sober, I take back